Hello guys, this is the third installment in the iPhone development tutorial series by Xanax STC. Today's tutorial will focus on how to add a splash screen to your iPhone application. Just for your reference, a splash screen is the loading screen that shows up on your app before it initializes, before it starts up. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is find an image. What you need is a 320 by 480 PNG file. I repeat, a 320 by 480 PNG file. You're going to want to name it default.png with the capital D, like it is over here. Once you have that image, you can start up Xcode. Open up your application project and drag your image from wherever it is into the resources folder, like we did for our icon in the previous tutorial. This image will be used as our splash screen in this app, just for your reference. The next thing we're going to want to do is open up your Hello World appdelegate.m file. Again, for you it might be it'll be your project name appdelegate.m file. It doesn't have to be Hello World. Inside the application did finish launching with options method, add this line of code. With the semicolon. What this line of code does, the sleep function, what it does is it tells your app to keep the loading screen, the splash screen, on your device screen for the amount of time specified. In this case, 5 seconds. The reason you might want to do this is because based on whether your application is simple or complicated, simple applications have a much shorter loading time than more complicated ones. And the splash screen might not be displayed for that long because the splash screen is only displayed when the app is loading. In some instances, the splash screen may only be displayed for a split second, and your viewer will not be able to see what's on the screen, what your message was. So this is essentially just for showing a message to your user. Okay, so let's save this and build and run. This will launch the iOS simulator, and our splash screen should pop up. There it is, the splash screen that I specified. See, now the app is loaded, and you got to see my splash screen for a few seconds. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for more videos by Xanax STC.